Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting updates from Samsung. Big changes are coming to their smartphone lineup in 2025, starting with the ever-popular Galaxy A series. You might be wondering, why the shift? Well, here's the deal. Samsung phones, regardless of the price range, all tend to look pretty much the same. For those who spend a premium on flagship devices, this sameness is a major letdown. Imagine shelling out big bucks on a high-end phone, only to see an entry-level model with a nearly identical design. But here's the good news. Samsung has heard your feedback, and they're making some big changes. The Galaxy A56's fresh look. The first render of the Galaxy A56 recently made its way online, and wow, it's a breath of fresh air. Samsung is introducing a sleek, revamped back design and adding some extra features. But here's where things get interesting. These updates might stir up some controversy among flagship phone users. Let me break it down for you. Faster charging that stands out. Just a few days ago, the Galaxy A56 appeared in the China certification database, and it revealed something surprising. This mid-range phone might support blazing fast 45-watt charging. To put that in perspective, the previous model, the Galaxy A55, was limited to 25-watt charging. Here's the twist. The Galaxy S24 base model, a flagship, also charges at just 25 watts. So, if the rumors are true, the Galaxy A56 could actually charge faster than some flagship devices. Performance upgrades. The Exynos 1580. Under the hood, the Galaxy A56 will pack Samsung's Exynos 1580 chip. Now, I know many of you might miss the days when Samsung equipped their A-series phones with Snapdragon chips. Snapdragon processors are undoubtedly amazing, but let's not dismiss the Exynos 1580 too quickly. This new chip comes with an upgraded Xclipse 540 GPU for improved graphics performance, and the enhanced NPU will boost Samsung's smart AI features. So, while it's not Snapdragon, it still offers plenty of potential. Cameras to impress. Now, let's talk cameras. The Galaxy A56 is said to feature a 50-megapixel main camera for crisp and vibrant photos, a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens for those scenic shots, a 5-megapixel macro camera for close-up details, and a 12-megapixel selfie camera that'll make your social media photos pop. A new design approach. Here's another cool change. The Galaxy A56 ditches the separate camera cutouts found on the A55. Instead, all the cameras are now housed within a single sleek module. This design update not only makes the A56 look more premium but also signals a broader redesign for Samsung's mid-range lineup. The Galaxy A26 and A36 are also expected to adopt similar design language. It's clear Samsung is working to give its mid-range phones a distinct identity, and honestly, it's about time. Final thoughts. So, there you have it. Samsung is making some bold moves with the Galaxy A series, from introducing faster charging and revamped designs to adding exciting new features. What do you think about the Galaxy A56? Are you excited about these changes, or do you prefer the old Samsung style? Let's get into it. First look at the Galaxy A56. The Galaxy A56 is all set to join Samsung's A series in the coming months, and we already have plenty of leaks to work with. Recently, live images of the phone surfaced online, and they reveal some exciting design elements. Spotted on China's TENAA certification website by tipster Max Jamor, these images give us a good look at both the front and the back of the device. On the rear, there's an updated camera setup featuring a pill-shaped module that houses 3 cameras alongside a separate flash. Meanwhile, the front shows a flat display with a centrally positioned selfie camera, a design that stays true to Samsung's signature aesthetic. This clean, minimalist design is sure to appeal to fans of the brand. Official launch is near. Adding to the excitement, Samsung's French website recently launched a support page for the Galaxy A56, confirming the model number as SM566B-DS. While Samsung hasn't officially announced the release date yet, all signs point to a launch in March 2025. The leaks and certifications confirm not just the phone's arrival but also its design evolution, showcasing Samsung's ongoing effort to push boundaries in the mid-range smartphone market. Key features and upgrades. So, what's new with the Galaxy A56 5G? Let's talk specs. Samsung seems to be focusing on delivering pro-level features at an affordable price point. The phone is expected to be powered by Samsung's Exynos 1580 chipset, promising a smooth and efficient performance. The display is rumored to be a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, Full HD Plus resolution, and an Infinity O cutout for the selfie camera. Samsung is also stepping up the design game by adding a premium touch, with rumors suggesting an aluminum frame and a glass back. This aligns with their strategy of giving the A series a more high-end look and feel. Camera capabilities. The camera front, the Galaxy A56 5G doesn't disappoint. It's expected to feature a 50 megapixels primary sensor, a 12 megapixels ultrawide lens, and a 5 megapixels macro camera. For selfies, the device might include a 12 megapixels front-facing camera, neatly tucked into the display's punch-hole cutout. Whether you're capturing wide-angle landscapes or detailed close-ups, this camera setup is designed to cater to a variety of photography needs. Storage, battery, and price. When it comes to storage, Samsung is offering flexible options, with configurations of 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. This ensures you have plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. The phone is also expected to pack a 5000 mAh battery with support for 45W fast charging, making it perfect for users who need a device that can keep up with their busy schedules. As for pricing, the Galaxy A56 5G is rumored to start at £439 in the UK, which is the same price as its predecessor, the Galaxy A55 5G. Samsung seems to be sticking to its commitment to offering great value for money, ensuring the phone remains competitive in the mid-range market. That wraps up everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. With its sleek design, upgraded features, and competitive price, it's shaping up to be a solid addition to Samsung's A series lineup. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy A56? Are you excited about its launch? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.